Hey Flash fam! Ever binge-watched a K-drama and wished you could speak Korean with that same effortless charm? Or maybe you've heard your K-pop bias speak and wondered how their pronunciation is just so perfect. Well, today, we're diving into the secret techniques that K-pop idols and native Koreans use to sound incredibly natural, and guess what? You can sound like them too. Imagine you've just woken up in a cozy Seoul Airbnb, ready to start your day. How do you greet someone, not just correctly, but with that authentic Korean flair? Hello/how are you? Standard, polite greeting used with anyone you're not intimately close with, or in formal settings like a store or restaurant.
안녕하세요.
Now you try. Formal.
안녕하세요.
Casual.
안녕. Used with close friends, family, or younger people. 안녕하세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
안녕하세요. 네, 안녕하세요. 잘 지내셨어요?
Watch your pronunciation, the ha sound. It's often very light, almost like a whisper, not a strong H. Think of it as a soft sigh, not a hard English H. They would reply,
네, 안녕하세요.
In Kdrama, reply 1988 S1E1 at 005, Duckson's family greets each other and neighbors. Please take good care of me/I look forward to working with you. Very formal expression used when starting a new relationship, e.g., meeting new colleagues, starting a new class, asking a host for help.
잘 부탁드립니다.
Now you try. Formal.
잘 부탁드립니다.
Casual.
잘 부탁해, 제일 부탁해. Used with friends or peers when asking for a favor or starting something together. 잘 부탁드립니다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
잘 부탁드립니다. 네, 잘 부탁드립니다. 열심히 하겠습니다.
Watch your pronunciation, the bu and tak sounds. The b is unaspirated, a soft p sound, and t is also unaspirated, like a soft d. Don't overemphasize the b or t. They would reply,
네, 잘 부탁드립니다.
In Kdrama, Missing, Incomplete Life S1E1 at 120 Jang Jure uses this exact phrase when introduced to his new team. I am sorry/excuse me. Formal apology for a mistake, or to politely get someone's attention in a crowded place, e.g., bumping into someone, interrupting a conversation.
죄송합니다.
Now you try. Formal.
죄송합니다.
Casual.
미안해. Used with close friends or family for minor apologies. 죄송합니다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
죄송합니다. 괜찮아요. 다음에 조심할게요.
Watch your pronunciation, the jo sound. It's not Jew or Chew. It's a combination of J and OE, like the we and wet but with rounded lips. Practice saying Joey quickly. They would reply,
괜찮아요.
In Kdrama, Goblin S1E5 at 2300 hours Kim Shin often uses formal apologies when interacting with others. Now that you've mastered your greetings, let's head to a trendy Korean cafe. This is where you'll hear a lot of natural, everyday Korean, perfect for practicing those idol-level nuances. Please give me this. Polite and common phrase used when ordering food/drinks, pointing at an item in a store, or asking for something specific from a staff member.
이거 주세요.
Now you try. Formal.
이거 주세요.
Casual.
이거 줘, i-geo 줘. Used with close friends or younger people. 이거 주세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
아메리카노 이거 주세요. 네, 알겠습니다. 감사합니다.
Watch your pronunciation, the Jew sound. It's a soft J sound, not a hard CH. Think of the J in jam, not chai. They would reply.
네, 알겠습니다.
In Kdrama, weightlifting fairy Kim Bok-ju S1E2 at 1500 hours Bok-ju uses this when ordering food. Really? / is that true? An enthusiastic and natural way to express surprise or confirm information in a casual conversation with friends or acquaintances.
진짜요.
Now you try. Formal.
진짜요.
Casual.
진짜. 진JJA. Used with close friends. 진짜요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
저 어제 BTS 콘서트 갔다 왔어요. 진짜요. 대박. 네, 너무 좋았어요.
Watch your pronunciation, the double JJ sound. It's a tense, emphasized J sound, like DZ in ads, not a soft J. Push air out quickly and sharply. They would reply.
네, 진짜예요.
In Kdrama, crash landing on US-1E4 at 30:00, Yoon Se-ri often uses this when surprised by North Korean customs. See you next time. Polite and common farewell used when you expect to see someone again, but not necessarily very soon, like after a casual meeting.
다음에 봐요.
Now you try. Formal.
다음에 봐요.
Casual.
다음에 봐. 다유엠이 BWA. Used with close friends. 다음에 봐요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
다음에 봐요. 네, 다음에 봐요. 조심히 가세요.
Watch your pronunciation, the E in. It's pronounced like the E in bed, not I. Ensure your mouth is relaxed. They would reply.
네, 다음에 봐요.
In Kdrama, hospital playlist S1E6 at 1 hour and 5 minutes, the doctors often say this to each other after their shifts. You've mastered greetings and cafe chats. Now, let's level up your expression game. These phrases will help you sound more natural and confident, just like your favorite K-pop stars on stage. It's okay / I'm fine / no, thank you. Extremely versatile phrase used to say it's okay, I'm fine, or to politely decline an offer, e.g., do you need help?
괜찮아요.
Now you try. Formal.
괜찮아요.
Casual.
괜찮아, 괜찮아요. Used with close friends. 괜찮아요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
도와드릴까요? 아니요, 괜찮아요. 정말 괜찮으세요?
Watch your pronunciation, the gwain sound. It's a tricky combination of G, W, and AE. Make sure to round your lips for the W sound and then spread them for AE. Not Gwen or gone. They would reply.
다행이다.
In K-drama, descendants of the Sun S1E3 at 45:00, Kang Mo-yeon often uses this to reassure people or decline offers. I will eat well, said before a meal. A polite and traditional phrase said before eating, especially when someone else has prepared or paid for the meal. It shows gratitude.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Now you try. Formal.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Casual.
잘 먹을게, 젤 미오지올지, used with close friends or family. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
잘 먹겠습니다. 네, 맛있게 드세요. 잘 먹었습니다.
Watch your pronunciation, the myeok sound. The K at the end is unreleased, meaning you stop the air in your throat without fully pronouncing the K. Don't make it a harsh K. They would reply.
맛있게 드세요.
In K-drama, Let's Eat, Any Season, the characters frequently use this before digging into their food. You worked hard/good job, informal polite. A common and warm phrase used to acknowledge someone's effort or hard work, often said at the end of a workday or after an effort-intensive task to a colleague or friend.
수고했어요.
Now you try. Formal.
수고했어요.
Casual.
수고했어, 수고했시오. used with close friends or colleagues of similar rank. 수고했어요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
오늘 정말 힘들었어요. 수고했어요. 고생 많았어요. 감사합니다.
Watch your pronunciation, the su sound. It's not su like in soup. The u is a slightly tighter, more rounded oo sound. Also, ensure the go is a soft G, not a hard K. They would reply.
네, 수고하셨어요.
In K-drama, Itaewon Class S1E7 at 35:00, Park Saroe often uses this to his staff after a busy day at Danbam. Quick quiz, how do you politely say see you next time to an acquaintance in Korean? The answer is "deumebwa-yo." Here's everything you learned today. And there you have it, Flash fam. 9 essential Korean phrases with those secret K-pop idol pronunciation tips that will have you sounding more natural in no time. Keep practicing these sounds, mimic the intonation, and you'll be speaking like a true Seoulite before you know it. If you loved unlocking these secrets, smash that like button, subscribe to KoreanFlashX for more K-drama level language lessons, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Next time, we're diving into essential phrases for navigating public transport in Korea. Get ready to ride the subway like a local.